Good morning, students. Last class we had discussed about functional groups like a alcoholic functional group and a aldehyde functional group. Alcoholic functional group means just like R-bond OH. R-bond OH is alcoholic functional group and R-bond CHO. It is a aldehyde function group. It is a alcoholic function group. It is aldehyde function group. Okay. Attach of OH. So that is alcoholic function group. So attach of CHO. That is aldehyde function group. So today class carboxylic function group. Carboxylic function group. What is the general formula of carboxylic function group? So commonly H R COOH. H R bond COOH. So commonly R bond COOH is the general formula of carboxylic acid. Okay, simply we are called acid function group or carboxylic acid function group. Overall, so what is the R? Already we know that. So R is alkyl. Okay, R is alkyl. Suppose for example CH3. So methyl. CH3 methyl and C2H5 ethyl. C2H5 ethyl and C3H7. So profile. C3H7 means profile. C4H9 means butyl or pentyl, hexyl, heptyl. So that is all alkyl. What is the R? Alkyl. Okay. So first, what is the examples? It is a general formula. So it is a general formula. So we write examples. Suppose for example HCOOH. HCOOH. So HCOOH means formic acid. HCOOH means formic acid. Okay, formic acid. Or suppose R bond COOH. What is the R? R is the alkyl. Suppose we write CH3. So CH3COOH. CH3COOH. So CH3COOH is already we know that. What is that? Acetic acid. Simply we are called vinegar also. Vinegar. Okay. Acetic acid. What is the formula of acetic acid? CH3COOH. Okay. CH3COOH is the acetic acid. Okay. So HCOOH is the formic acid and CH3COOH is the acetic acid. What is the IUPAC word? Overall, IUPAC word is oic word. Oic. Okay. What is the IUPAC word? Oic. So, already we know that alcoholic components contain ol word. Aldehyde compounds contain all word. All. Alcoholic ol. But carboxylic acid is oic word. Okay. Suppose for example HCOOH. So HCOOH means how many carbons? Only one carbon. Okay, only one carbon. That's why they are called methanoic acid. Methanoic acid. So it is also called. So oic is the IUPAC. It is a methanoic acid. Okay, so HCOOH contain only one carbon. That's why we are called methanoic acid. Suppose CH3COOH. So CH3COOH is the acetic acid. Already we know that. So it is how many carbons? 1, 2. 2 carbons. Okay, that's why we are called ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid. Okay, so it is only one carbon. Methanoic acid. Oic word. Methanoic. So how many carbons? 2 carbons. Ethanoic. Or suppose 3 carbons. Propanoic. 4 carbons. Butanoic acid. Okay, suppose replace of CH3 we write ethyl C2H5. So that time C2H5 COOH. C2H5 it is a methyl. It is ethyl. So C2H5 COOH. Okay, so overall it is how many carbons? 3 carbons. 2 plus 1, 3 carbons. 3 carbons means propanoic acid. Okay, already we know that 1 carbon meth, 2 carbons eth, 3 carbons prop, 4 carbons but, 5 carbons pent, 6 carbons ex, 7 carbons hept. Okay, so overall it is contain how many carbons? 7. So 3 carbons. Okay, 3 carbons. That's why we are called propanoic acid. Propanoic acid. Or suppose we write it is a CH3 methyl, C2H5 ethyl. We write C3H7. C3H7 means profile. So C3H7 COOH. So overall it's contain how many carbons? 4 carbons. C3 C. So 4 carbons. That's why we are called butanoic acid. Oic. Butanoic acid. Okay. Okay, butanoic acid or pentanoic acid or hexanoic acid or heptanoic acid. So they are all compounds, carboxylic acid compounds. Okay, listen. What is the function group? Carboxylic acid function group. The general formula of carboxylic acid is R bond COOH. Okay, so or H bond COOH. R bond COOH. So what is the R? Alkyl. Alkyl means CH3 methyl, C2H5 ethyl, C3H7 profile, C4H9 butyl. So overall alkyl. What is the IUPAC word of carboxylic acid? Oic word. OIC. Oic word. Suppose for example, first we write HCOOH. HCOOH means formic acid. Okay, it is very important compound. It is also formic acid. So how many carbons? Only one carbon. So we are called methanoic acid. Oic word. Methanoic acid. Okay. Or suppose we write any alkyl. Suppose CH3. CH3 is the methyl. So CH3 COOH. CH3COOH means acetic acid. Okay, how many carbons? 2 carbons. So 2 carbons means ether, and that is acid. COOH means acid. So simply we are called ethanoic acid. Okay, ethanoic acid or vinegar or acetic acid. Okay, so C2H5COOH. So it's contain 3 carbons. We are called propanoic acid. Next, fourth one. So C3H7COOH. So it's contain 4 carbons. We are called butanoic acid. Okay, oic acid. So these 2 components is very important components. Number 1, HCOOH. HCOOH means formic acid. CH3COOH means acetic acid. Okay, so HCOOH means formic acid. CH3COOH means acetic acid. Okay, so it is a carboxylic acid functional group. Next, ketone functional group. So, what is the general formula of ketone functional group? What is the examples of ketone components? Generally, so general formula R bond C double bond O bond R. Okay, R bond C double bond O bond R. It is a general formula of ketone. Okay, general formula of ketone. What is the R? R is the alkyl. Already we know that alkyl. Alkyl means, suppose CH3 methyl, C2H5 ethyl, C3H7 propyl, C4H9 butyl. So that all components like a alkyl. So here R is the equal or different alkyls. Suppose for example we write example CH3 bond C double bond O bond CH3. So here equal alkyl groups CH3 equal alkyl groups. Okay, or suppose CH3 C double bond O C2H5. So different alkyl groups. Okay, here CH3 equal alkyl groups, CH3 C2H5 different alkyl groups. So overall CH3 bond C double bond O bond CH3, it is a acetone. Okay, what is the acetone? It is very important. Acetone, CH3 bond C double bond O bond CH3. So it is formula of acetone. Okay, so overall, what is the IUPAC word? What is the IUPAC word of ketone functional group? So listen, CH3. So it is equal alkyl groups. equal alkyl groups. Overall, it is also called dimethyl. So how many methyl groups? 2. That we are called di. 2 means di. Okay. So di. 2 means di. So it is a methyl. So dimethyl. Dimethyl. So ketone. Dimethyl ketone. So what is the name? Suppose CH3. CH3 means methyl. C2H5 means ethyl ketone. Okay? Dimethyl ketone. Methyl, ethyl ketone. Okay? So it is a methyl, ethyl ketone. Okay, so CH3 bond, C double bond O bond CH3 acetone. It is also called dimethyl ketone. Second one, so methyl, ethyl ketone. Okay, so what is the IUPAC word of ketone? We are called own word. Okay, own word is IUPAC. IUPAC word of ketone functional group. Suppose for example CH3 bond C double bond O bond CH3. So how many carbons? 3 carbons. Okay, so that's why we call propanone. Propanone. 3 carbons means prop. It is ketone. Ketone means which IUPAC word? Own. Own. Propanone. Propanone. Suppose 4 carbons. Butanone. Suppose 5 carbons. Pentanone. Own word. Pentanone. Own. Okay. Suppose carbon 1, 2 carbons, 2 carbons. So total how many carbons? 4 carbons. We are called butanone. Okay, butanone. It is a ketone functional group. The general formula of ketone functional group is R bond, C double bond O bond R. R is equal alkyl groups or different alkyl groups. Suppose we write equal alkyl group, that is CH3 bond C double bond O bond CH3. So it is also called acetone or a dimethyl ketone. So 2 methyl groups. That's why we are called dimethyl ketone. Or suppose it is also called propanone. What is the IUPAC word? Own. How many carbons? 3. 3 means propanone. So here we write different alkyl groups. CH3 bond C double bond O bond C2H5. So different alkyl groups. That time we write we are called methyl, ethyl ketone. Okay, methyl, ethyl ketone. So how many carbons? 4 carbons. Means but. What is the IUPAC word? Own. So that's why they are called butanone. Butanone. Okay. So today topic carboxylic acid functional group. General formula R bond COOH. IUPAC word OIC word. And next one ketone functional group. So general formula R bond C double bond O bond R. IUPAC word own. O-N-E. Okay. So next further class we will discuss remaining function groups. Okay.